Meaning of Dame Edna.
Dame Edna.
Dame Edna.
Dame Edna.
Dame Edna. Dame Edna is a fictional character created and portrayed by Australian comedian and actor Barry Humphries. The character is known for her lilac-colored hair, outlandish outfits, and exaggerated personality. Dame Edna is often described as a housewife superstar and has been a popular figure in British and Australian comedy since the 1950s. She has appeared in television shows, movies, and stage productions. The character is known for her satirical commentary on society, as well as her ability to engage and entertain audiences.